friends, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to create a purple eyeshadow look. This is an evening look, a glam look that's going to go very well with the upcoming Diwali night. So let's do it. I've already prepped my skin and I have done my base. I'm going to start with the eyes. So let's do it together. I'm going to use this Morphe's palette today. I'm going to use these colors. This purple shade, I'm going to put this in the middle of the lid and this brown in the crease. With that, in the inner corner, I'm going to use this shade. I'm using a smudge brush and I'm using this color. I'm going to do it in the inner corner of the eyes and come up to 1/3 of the eyelid. I'm going to use the same smudge brush, and this is a very handy tool that I have got from Amazon. Use this to clean up my brush like this and go to the next color. I'm going to use this color now and do the outer corner of the lids. Color and put it in the center of the lids. I'm taking this fluffy blending brush, I'm dipping it slightly in this color and the brown color here, and I'm mixing these two and putting it in the crease of the eyelids. I'm going to take the same tool, clean up my smudge brush, dip it in this black and define the outer V of my eyes. I'm going to go back to the same tool, clean this up, and now I'm going to do my lower lid. I'm going to dip it right now in this shade and do my lower lids. I'm taking a flat brush, dip it in this color and outline the lower lash line. I'm taking a black eye pencil and I am tightlining the waterline, both the upper and the lower waterline. Going back to this color and the brown color, and I'm going to do my lower lids and smudge the color and putting it in the center of the eyelid and smudging it out. I'm not going to make a wink eye today. I'm going to put this Moxie lashes. It is a magnetic lash. This glue is basically an eyeliner, so I'm going to put in the glue and then fix in my lashes. I've finished this eye. I have popped in my lashes. Now I'm going to quickly finish off the other side. Clean out all the fallouts here and then do some lipstick and some blush. I'm going to do it on the other side. Conceal my under eyes. Blend everything in with a beauty blender. I'm taking one angular brush and I'm taking a bronzer and I'm going to contour my face, little bit on my forehead, the hollows of the cheek, on the other side, and the jawline, little bit below the chin, and I'll take it down to cover my double chin. Taken a small angular brush like this. I'm going to dip it in my bronzer and do the contouring of my nose. I'm going to start from the eyebrows and take it down. I'm going to do it on the other side and then a little bit around the corners of the nose. I've taken a powder brush. I'm going to dip it in the setting powder and set under the eyes, my forehead, below the cheeks, a little bit on the ears. I set my T-zone as well, around the mouth. I've taken a small blending brush and I'm going to dip it in the highlighter and highlight the points of my cheekbone, bridge of the nose, cupid bow. This is the blush. I'm using that same angular brush and I'm going to dip it here and put it on the apple of my cheeks. Other side. I'm going to outline my lips now. Lipstick, some lip gloss. I'm going to set everything with a setting spray. This is how purple eyeshadow is going to look on a medium to a deeper skin tone, especially on Indian skin tone. See? I think it looks pretty glamorous for evening wear, for Diwali night. Do give it a try and let me know how you like it. Do remember to like, comment and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.